It's been reported on Instagram by Mike Levine that the 2022 Ford Maverick, the hybrid that is, can get up to 50 miles per gallon. Now, the Ford Maverick is an awesome pickup truck. And people can't wait to get a hold of it. It's going to be the most affordable. I mean, underneath $20,000. Can you believe it, folks? So many people are waiting for this. It has the beautiful styling. It has that awesome value. And a lot of people who just started off in life, start off a new marriage, this is the ideal truck to get. And they're going to be starting rolling in dealerships soon. Very, very soon. Now, the official fuel consumption figures for the 2.0 liter is 22, 29, and 25 combined. That's 22 city, 29 highway, and 25 combined. But the most frugal one is the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder hybrid one. That is the one that's going to be getting the 50 miles per gallon. And that is the one that's the talk of the town. Now, Ford North America Product Communication Director Mike Levine has said that it can get 50 miles per gallon. And this is some awesome news. Of course, it's a hybrid. And it's going to get 50 miles per gallon. It's going to save people plenty of money. So this is going to keep the demand up. And a lot of people are going to get a hold of this. Now, Levine recently did a 50-mile trip in the Maverick. 25 miles were completed on electric power alone, and 25 on gasoline. And the fuel consumption figure came out to be a staggering 50 miles per gallon when Mike Levine did this. And that's driving around 40 miles per hour. Not too many people are going to be doing that because people fluctuate. 0 to 60 and they jump back and forth. Sometimes they even go 80. I mean, traffic is crazy. But if you did it right and you didn't hammer the gas, you could possibly get 50 miles per gallon. Which is just some awesome news. Awesome news for this nice pickup truck. Great, awesome news. Now, you're talking about the competition such as the Hyundai Santa Cruz, which is not really, to me, it's not really competition. I mean, they're getting 19, 27, 22 combined. And it's a totally different, the Santa Cruz is totally different. This is a true pickup truck. When the Santa Cruz is not a true pickup truck. But, however, they really don't compete with the 50 miles per gallon and with the drivetrain. And everything else is two totally different. And if I were gonna get a pickup truck, the Santa Cruz, if I were gonna get a Maverick, the Santa Cruz wouldn't be an option because you would want a true pickup truck. When the Santa Cruz is totally different. It's not to be looked at as a pickup truck, but it is nice. Don't get me wrong. And it doesn't compare to the, as far as the price, underneath $20,000 for a hybrid at 2.5 liter, naturally aspirated, front wheel drive. You're not going to be able to, there's no competition for this. And that's what makes this awesome, folks. The Ford Maverick, which is an awesome piece of kit. I mean, from $19,995 to $25,490. I mean, just awesome. I mean, built after when you look at the design, has a lot in common with the Ranger and the Ford F-150. So there's a legacy, and behind that EcoBoost engine, which is reliability, and you're moving ahead. So what's going to happen in the next 2 years? Well, when you think about that, you think about the F-150 Lightning. And when you see that in light of this, you just say to yourself, wow, the future is bright for this baby. And so there's going to be a lot of changes. And this truck has a lot of value. Beautiful exterior design, great performance, the fuel economy, which is just going to be awesome. You're talking about 50 miles, 25 on electric alone, and 25 on gas. That's if you're driving it quite light foot. Great infotainment features, reliability, safety and value for the money is just excellent. The XL, the XL Hybrid, the XLT Hybrid, the XLT, and the Lariat. I mean, these are the different lines that you get. Just so there's so many options, and you can get this all for underneath $26,000. All the different models that I just mentioned, with the XL and the XL Hybrid being the number one model. And but you have to pre-order that in order to get it. You're not going to find the XL Hybrid on the showroom floor because people have jumped on it, and everybody's going to the make-to-order system, which is going to save Ford a hell of a lot of money. And this is awesome, folks. Awesome. Yes. 50 miles per gallon on the entry model. The hybrid is fantastic. The Maverick, I mean, Mike Levine said it's the 50-50-50 club. And this is awesome, folks. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, and continue to enjoy the video. 50 miles per gallon. Fantastic.
Is a new kind of pickup. Versatile and capable. Built for makers and doers. Stunningly fuel efficient and built for tough. It's the truck for people who never knew they needed a truck. Here's everything you need to know about the all-new Ford Maverick in just 3 minutes. Maverick is the first ever standard full hybrid truck. Maverick comes standard as a 5-passenger, 4-door pickup available in XL, XLT, and Lariat trim levels. The standard 2.5-liter hybrid has a targeted EPA estimated rating of 40 miles per gallon in the city and 500 miles of range on a single tank of gas. The truck bed is a makerspace. This flex bed system offers all kinds of organization and DIY solutions, like vertical and horizontal slots for 2x4 and 2x6 boards that you can use to build your own bike racks, service bed dividers, or any number of other solutions. A multi-position tailgate and 10 available tie-downs to secure your items. 2 available 110-volt outlets, one in the cabin and one in the bed, can power phones, tools, and electronics. And a standard electric 12-volt DIY pre-wire package in the bed can be used for wiring lights, and a 4.5-foot bed, 6 feet with the tailgate down, can help haul bikes, furniture, or that next DIY project you're working on. Maverick has a lower ride height, which makes getting in and out a breeze. And most adults can reach over the side and easily grab whatever you need. It has a max payload capacity of 1,500 pounds and standard towing capacity of 2,000 pounds. And of course, Maverick is built for tough. The available 2-liter EcoBoost engine, which provides optional all-wheel drive, also has an available max towing package of 4,000 pounds. Maverick is built with smart technology like a standard embedded modem, which allows you to start, lock, and unlock your vehicle from your Ford Pass app. The standard 8-inch touchscreen also provides seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 5 selectable drive modes to help enhance performance and confidence in various driving conditions. It has Ford Co-Pilot 360 technology like standard automatic emergency braking and auto high beams, as well as available adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane centering, and evasive steering assist capabilities. This truck was designed with smart storage solutions to accommodate how people live. Like there's a place to store a tall 1-liter water bottle, store your gear in the large bins under the rear seat, door pockets for stashing laptops or tablets, and bed storage for things like tools or rope. Maverick boasts a tight turning radius and compact size for easy driving and parking around the city. Maverick has city maneuverability with truck functionality. The truck is ingeniously designed to be customized inside and out to suit your lifestyle, and it delivers on the built Ford tough durability and capability you expect. Finally, the all-new Ford Maverick starts at just under 20 grand.
This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing. And have an awesome and fantastic day. Much love. And again, thanks for coming by.